Hi guys, I hope you are all doing well. Let's see today's question. So today's question is from the topic of matrices, and in this question we have been told that a matrix M is present, which is a 2 by 2 matrix having the elements 5 by 2, 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2, half. And we have been asked in the question that what can be the value of the matrix M 2022. We need to find the four elements of M raised to 2022. Let's say that are X, Y, Z, and W. So we need to find all these values of matrix that is raised to 2022. Let's understand how to solve this question. So first of all, if I start with this M, I know it is 5 by 2, 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2, and minus. So let's first find out 2, 3 matrices with different powers. So let's find out square, cube, fourth power of that. So we will have a general idea about how this matrix is forming a pattern. And then subsequently, we can also find out m raised to 2022 also, right? So let's see the question. So if I first find the square of the matrix, 5 by 2, 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2, and minus 1. If I multiply this same matrix two times, what I get it as, let's see. So it becomes 5 by 2 into 5 by 2, so 25 by 4, and 3 by 2 into minus 3 by 2, so 25 by 4 minus 9 by 4, that is 16 by 4, so it becomes 4. If I solve this, 5 by 2 into 3 by 2, so 15 by 4, minus 3 by 4, so 12 by 4, that is 3. Next, minus 3 by 2 into 5 by 2, that is minus 15 by 4. Minus 1 by 2 into minus 3 by 2 is plus 3 by 4. So minus 15 by 4 plus 3 by 4, that is minus 12 by 4, that is minus 3. And further I get it as minus 3 by 2 into minus 3 by 2 into 3 by 2, so minus 9 by 4 and plus 1 by 4. So it is minus 8 by 4, that is minus 2. So I get the elements of the square matrix also. Let's try to find the cube also for that. M cube would become m square into m. So if I find out 4, 3, minus 3, minus 2, with M matrix, which was 5 by 2, 3 by 2, minus 3. So if I solve this again I will have four elements. That would become 4 into 5 by 2, that is 20 by 2. And this is 3 and minus 3, so minus 9. So 20 minus 9, that is 11 by 2. Next I get 4 into 3 by 2, so 12 by 2, and 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3. So 12 minus 3, that is 9. Here I have minus 3 into 5 by 2, so minus 15, and minus 2 into minus 3, that is plus 6. So minus 15 and plus 6, so minus 9 by 2. So minus 3 into 3 by 2, that is minus 9 by 2. Minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2, so minus 9 plus 2, minus 7 by 2. So this becomes the elements of the matrix MQ. Now if I find out M4 also, it is nothing but M cube into M. So M cube we have already got with us. 11 by 2, 9 by 2, minus 9 by 2, and minus 7. Further, multiply with M, which was 5 by 2, 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2, minus 7. Okay, let's try to solve this. 11 into 5, that is 55 by 4. And 9 into minus 3, that is minus 27. So 55 minus 27, that is 28 by 4, that is 7. Further, 11 by 2 into 3 by 2, so 33 by 4, and minus 9 by 4, 24 by 4, that is 6. Minus 45 and plus 24, so minus 24 by 4, minus 6. Minus 27 by 4 and plus 7, so minus 20 by 4, minus 5. Right? So I get this matrix also. So now if I see m square, m cube, and m4, m is 5 by 2, 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2, and minus m square, That's also known to be 4, 3 minus 3 minus 2. M cube, that is also known to us 11 by 2, 9 by 2, minus 9 by 2, and minus 4. If I write it, 7, 6 minus 6 minus. Now, one thing, if I try to find the pattern, I can see there is a pattern existing between the four terms. Like, I can write m as 3 by 2 plus 1. I can write this as same 3 by 2. This is negative of 3 by 2. So if you see every diagonal, non-diagonal elements which are there, they are having just a positive and negative sign, magnitude is same. Right? And I can also write this as minus 3 by 2 plus 1, right? So minus 3 plus 2, that is minus half. Again, if I write, so basically I can write all elements in the terms of 3 by 2 in this case. Here if you see, I can write all the terms in terms of 3. So it becomes 3 plus 1, 3 minus 3, and this becomes, so this is I think minus 2, or yeah, so this is minus 2. So this is minus 2, it becomes minus 3 plus 1. Again, if I write this entire list, I can also write it in terms of 9 by 2. So it becomes again 9 by 2 plus 1, 9 by 2 minus 9 by 2 and minus 1. Further, if you see this, I can also write 6 plus 1, 6 minus 6 and minus 6 plus 1. So I can see that every first term, I can write it as plus 1 with the second term. For the third term, I can just take the negative sign of the second term, and for the fourth term, I can write it as third term plus 1. Right? For every matrix, I am able to observe that pattern. And also, if I see whatever is the power, if I want to find the second term, because from the second term, I'm getting all the three terms, right? So if I'm trying to find out second term, what is happening? In the first case, it is 3 by 2. In the second case, it becomes 3. In the third case, the second term is 9 by 2. In the fourth case, it is 6. So if you see the pattern that is being formed here, basically we are multiplying this 3 by 2 with the exponent of the matrix, that is 1. So 3 by 2 into 1 gives you 3 by 2. 3 by 2 into 2 gives you 3, which is your second term. 3 by 2 into 3 gives you 9 by 2, which is the second term of MQ. 3 by 2 into power, that is 4, gives you 6, which is the second term of M4. So basically, if I have any term, let's say m raised to n, I can write it as 3 by 2 into n, where n is the power. So now if I write it, all the three terms which are remaining with respect to this terms of n, I know first term is just obtained by adding 1 to the second term. Third term is just obtained by multiplying the second term by minus 1. And fourth term is obtained by adding 1 to the third term. So I can observe that m raised to n becomes this. Now if I just find out what he's asking for, m raised to 2022. So I can just substitute n as 2022 in the given solution. So it becomes 3 by 2 into 2022 plus 1. Then it is 3 by 2 into 2022, 3 by 2 into minus 3 by 2 into 2022, and minus 3 by 2 into 2000. So if I solve this one, so if I just solve the first exam, second term, I can find out all the terms, right? So let's do that. 2 ones are 2, 10, and 11. So the second term in this case becomes 3 into 1011. So this is 3033. I can get the first term I know by adding 1 to the second term. So this becomes 3034. This third term I can just obtain by multiplying by minus 1. And adding 1 to the third term gives me the fourth term, that becomes minus 30. Right? So I get this matrix for the question which is asked to us, that is m raised to 2022. And the option here which matches with the answer is option A. Right? So the correct answer for the question which is asked to us is option A. That is our correct answer in this. So basically, I hope you understand how to solve this type of questions. So first we figured out some 3-4 matrices by keeping different powers. And then we tried to find the pattern. Once we found the pattern, we found m raised to n. And just putting n as 2022, I got the answer in this question as A. Right? I'll meet you again tomorrow with the next question. Till then, you can like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and also share these videos with your family and friends. Thank you.